plan on, because I have to sleep on stuff and go, how am I going to do it? So I've got a Facebook page for my team. I'm going to be posting on there. I love giving out my personal team incentives. So what I think I plan on doing is once I get people that say, yes, I'm interested, and they share their picture on our team Facebook page, or they message me, I'm going to host a Zoom party, just like I used to do for people that were in Performance Club once a month. A Zoom party where they're going to be on a wheel of names, and then I will have gifts when everybody will get a gift, because literally, like, not everybody's going to do it, right? Do the sit down. So it's not going to be too much, unless it is too much, and then I'll pivot. However, everyone will get a little gift. They'll be able to spin the wheel. It's going to be exciting because FOMO is huge. Sense of urgency and FOMO. Everybody's going to want to be on that private call, that private Zoom that only you can get into if you give me a picture of a sit down. So that's what I plan on doing. My team seems to respond really well to that. And if they don't have the placemat, all of them really do have their Legal Shield app downloaded. It should have their Legal Shield app downloaded and their ID Shield app downloaded. And I tell the team, because I've done it where I didn't have any resource except for the app, you sit down and you just put the app, open the app and go through the app. And I love doing app reviews. For any of you guys that have ever been on my trainings where I do the app review, look, everybody goes, your people go, ooh, oh my God, they're more apt to sign up. They're going to be more apt to sign up anyway, going belly to belly, just like A.I. Williams used to say. But you doing an app review with somebody at a sit down, showing them the app, going through it, letting them know look at the areas of law. This is what you can do. We get paid anywhere from $70 to $370 to do it. It's powerful.